What if I told you that you could make £20,000 a month from property without a mortgage, without a six-figure deposit, and without owning a single brick? Sounds like clickbait, right? Another internet fantasy. Here's the truth. It is possible. Just not in the way you've been sold, because this is not passive income. In this video, I'm dismantling the biggest lie in property and showing you the real business model that can get you to £20,000 a month without owning property. If you want fantasy, click off. If you want reality, stay with me. The idea of making serious money from property without ownership is powerful. But passive income has been stretched to the point of delusion. Most people imagine money appearing while they sleep. Property doesn't work like that. Today, I'll break down 3 no-ownership strategies that can reach £20,000 a month, the real numbers, the risk no one talks about, and how you turn hard work into semi-passive income through systems. This isn't get rich quick. This is how people actually build property businesses. Let's be clear. Property income is not passive at the start. The people selling hands-off property show you the beach. They hide the years of operations it took to get there. Real passive income means zero involvement. Property is a physical business with tenants, regulations, maintenance, and legal risk. When you start, you're not an investor. You're an operator. You're marketing, selling, managing, problem-solving. And that's where most people quit. But here's what no one tells you. That work isn't the problem. The lack of systems is. The goal isn't passive income. The goal is systemized income. You work in the business first, so one day you only work on it. Let's ground this in numbers. To make £20,000 net per month, you need 1 of 3 things. Lots of small profits, fewer large profits, or a blend of both. For example, £1,000, profit times 20 units, £500, profit times 40 units, or occasional £10,000 to £20,000 deal fees. Most beginners chase big wins. Professionals chase repeatability. And that brings us to strategy number 1. Rent-to-rent is the fastest way to cash flow without ownership. You lease a property long-term, then rent it out at a higher total income. You guarantee the landlord rent. You keep the margin. Thus the HMO model. Example. Rent to landlord, £1,500 per month. Convert to 6 rooms at £650 each equals £3,900 income. Minus bills, voids, management equals approximately £1,400. Net profit, 1 property. No mortgage, no deposit. Serviced accommodation. A can earn more, but it's hospitality, not property. Higher reward, higher workload, more regulation risk, reality check. At serviced accommodation, you still deal with guests, voids, councils, cleaners, complaints. You must understand licensing and local rules. Scaling R2R to hit £20,000, net from R2R alone. Expect 30 to 40 units, a team to manage operations, SOPs for every process, cash buffers for voids and maintenance. R2R is powerful, but unstable on its own. So you stabilize it. Quick pause. If you're running R2R units right now, or considering it, drop a comment. I read every one. And subscribe if you want real property strategy, not hype. Now, let's talk about building stability. Property management. You already manage property for yourself. Others will pay you to do it for them. £100 per unit doesn't sound exciting until you manage 50 properties. That's predictable income, low risk, recurring. Deal sourcing flips the model. You don't manage property. You find, analyze, and structure deals for investors. Fees range from £5,000 to £20,000 or more per deal. 2 deals a month can equal a full-time income. This money funds your growth and reduces risk. It's how you stop being dependent on R2R margins alone. Or joint ventures are where experience turns into serious wealth. You bring the deal and execution. The investor brings the money. Profit and equity are shared. One successful JV can pay more than a year of rent to rent. But this is not day one. Trust, track record, and legal structure are mandatory. This is how operators become entrepreneurs. Here's the path. Phase 1. Learn the fundamentals, set up properly. Phase 2. Secure your first R2R deal. Phase 3. Document everything. Build SOPs. Phase 4. Delegate and scale. Phase 5. Diversify income streams. The goal isn't hustle forever. It's to replace yourself. So here's the truth. £20,000 a month from property without owning it is real, right? But it's earned, not discovered. Rent to rent gives cash flow. Management gives stability. JVs give leverage. Systems give freedom. Like if this helped, like the video, it tells the algorithm this content matters. Subscribe if you want real property strategy, not fantasy. And remember, you don't build passive income. You build systems that earn without you.